Yesterday was John Demathew's 3rd anniversary. Na Njogu wa Njoroge o hamwe na both John Demathew's wives nio Sarafina na Carolyn Demathew ni marakorirwo makiumbũrĩra John Demathew maũndũ marĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere kuma rĩrĩa ahurũkire na njĩra ya kũmwandĩkĩra tributes kũgerera nenda ciao cia ũkinyanĩria. Na Njogu wa Njoroge wa mbere nĩ arakorirwo akiumbũrĩra John Demathew ũrĩa arata ake a hakuhĩ macokire kũmũgarũrũka akua. And this is what he wrote: "My brother, it's 3 years now. I have never let you down. I have kept my promise. I will always stand by them. And the bond is stronger. But let me update you, Idewashiko. Your closest friends betrayed you, but the Kikuyu nation stood by you. Thire ni mararĩhire John Geithia Njoroge wa Uganda." Na shortly after Njogu wa Njoroge shared this tribute, Carolyn Demathew ũrĩa nĩwe mũtumia wa kerĩ wa John Demathew nĩ arakorirwo akĩyumĩria na kũ-agree noguo Njogu wa Njoroge arauga atĩ nĩma arata ake a hakuhĩ nĩ mamũgarũrũkire. Na oho nĩ aracokire kumbũra ndeto ingĩ cina kĩeha mũno kũrĩa arauga atĩ famĩlĩ yake nĩ yacokire kũmũ-mistreat John Demathew akua. Famĩlĩ ya John Demathew nĩ yacokire kũmũ-mistreat akua na nginya makĩmũingata mũciĩ kwao. She says they threw her out of their house. Na ĩno nĩyo ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa arakorirwo akĩrekereria akiuga: "Babe, I swear Njogu was your friend. He has been checking on me and your little Matthew Simba. How I wish you can come back today and know that you didn't have friends, woi. But on the other hand, you had few true friends. We'll mention them on my page, not here. I wish you know how your family treated me as well after your demise. They even threw me out of our house, where I gave birth to your son. Anyway, don't worry yourself. Because we have never lacked, God has been faithful. You left this world, but you're still in my heart. It's me, Waithera nyina wa ciana ciaku." Na onake Sarafina Demathew took to her social media pages to pen this heartwarming and loving tribute to her husband John Demathew, akimwira ona ciana nĩ iramũmisi muno. And this is what she said: "I understand the pain. It's 3 years now. Dull moments come, but this is the darkest of all. God, you take what you love, you separate it from this world of pain, sorrow, and troubles. Keep resting my husband's soul in peace. On your hands, he is happy. He is resting, he is smiling. Take care of his soul till we meet again. You're still loved, especially your family. I always miss you. Your children miss you. I try the best to be there for them, to fill the gap that you left. I know I can't fit in your shoes, but I just try. I'll never fit in those shoes. Your kids are really growing up fast. Shiko finished high school and passed well because of what you planted in her since she was a kid. I will forever appreciate all the times I was with you until your demise. You taught us a lot, gave us a lot, sacrificed a lot, loved us more, and we miss all that." Na ugo niguo marakorirwo magĩcakaya na kũririkana John Demathew on his 3rd anniversary since he rested. Na may he continue resting in peace. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.